in the field of public health, as many of you know, it is very broad, it is
Correct.
very vast.
Correct.
So I wouldn't say one day looks the same as the next. But generally, what we try to do is to solve population issues. So when you look at medicine versus public health, medicine works with the individual body and healing issues and ailments in the individual body. When you look at the field of public health, we look at the population as a whole. So we sit down and we look at what are the issues that whatever particular population we are working with. So in my case, I would say young men of color, right? What are some of the issues that they are facing? And we work together with community members to solve those issues and come up with programming and resources to make available to the clients that we are working with so that they can work through whatever issues it is that we have discovered. In the
Okay.
field of finance, what
Okay.
that looks like is sitting down with individual families and working through some of the individual issues that they are facing and applying concepts of financial literacy to be able to work them through so that they can get to whatever level of financial freedom it is that they are looking for.
Wow. So what are the type of problems mostly that you see with the clients that you serve in the community? I already know what it is, but somebody out there wants to know.
Yeah, it's that there's just so much. There's so much. When you talk about, especially young men of color here in the United States, the issue is it just stems so deep that there isn't one single thing. It's a multifaceted issue. But just to name a few of them, in my experience working with these young men, there was always a lack of, a lack of, a lack of. So in some cases, it was a lack of obviously a father figure in the home. There was a lack of obviously finances and financial support resources. There was a lack of quality, excuse me to say, but quality educators and quality schools in their neighborhoods. There was a lack of, general love and support. And so what we found was that a lot of these young men were getting involved at very young ages in things that children should not really be.
Involved with.
You know
And
what I'm
you're
saying?
right.